watching a video, some people I like to watch that rebuild engines a lot because they're very good with details and explanations. So there's one guy I watch, it's called My Vintage Iron, what is it, 1752? He says a good way to square up your ring inside there, and what that means is just see how it kind of, it's not square, one side's further in than the other, is you install the oil rings in there, and as you push it in, the oil rings will get the edge of the bore and square up that ring. So you just slide it in. Let's see if I can, it's my first time doing this. Let's see. So there you go, and it's in, right? So hopefully that is squared up. And then now I get to measure the gap. Let's see what the first gap is. Yeah, so there's different formulas that I've heard, but 4/1000 times the bore, which, you know, my bore is 3.947 pretty much. So it comes out to like 16. So everything that I've heard is, you know, it's better to have a bigger gap than a small gap, right? And so this one, I'm probably going to shoot between 18 and 20. If I'm going boosted or nitrous, I think they go up to like 22, something like that. But let me try. Let me grab. Let's see, what do I have here? It's an 18. Let me try the 17. I don't know why. We'll just see if this is. That feels a little loose. So and this ring here, I think, is my top ring, I think. Can't see up in there. I'm gonna skip 2 and go to 19. Oops, I guess I had 2 in there. There's 20. Skip 2 and go to 19 and see what 19 fits in there pretty decent. See if I can get a 20 in there. First time I've ever done this. First time you ever seen me do this. Man, but you know, see, and I can't get a 20 in there. So I'm gonna call that a 19 on my top ring. So I don't have to file it. And I'm having a feeling I'm not gonna have to file it. I got this filer that I have over here on this table just in case, but it doesn't seem like I probably won't have to. So that's a 19. I guess if I wanted to make it like 20 or something like that, but I've heard that 18 to 20 is a pretty decent naturally aspirated gap. So it's at 19 and I'm going to keep it there. So I'm going to document that. Let me make sure which ring that was. Yeah, that was the top ring. Because my dot, the one with the dot on it, is the second compression ring down. On the second groove, the one that doesn't have anything on it is my top one. From what the instructions tell me. So my top ring, so my ring gap, we'll go top, is 19. And then we'll go second ring. But anyway, I'm not gonna video all the rest of it, but that was the first time. It's pretty cool. And I get so nervous with this, but I'm glad I don't have to grind anything down. So cool.